They killed all people of God. They destroyed Israel. The sons of Abraham are not true sons of Abraham. They are liars. The Jewish of today are fake, false. They don't belong to Middle East. They are not Semites. They are not of Israel. They are not of Sarah. They call themselves sons of Abraham to be what they want to be. They are not Jewish. They are not of God. They want to be everything God gave to Israel, the true children of your God, the Hebrew God. The sons of Abraham, as they call themselves, crucify Yeshua. They are lying. They are the ones who wrote Genesis and many other texts to get all that was to Israel. They want to take everything for them. And these people of today, they are just followers of the sons of Abraham of yesterday. They are all gone. These people of today are not even from the ancient times. They are not descendants of anyone. They are from Europe and everywhere in the world, but not of the Middle East. They are liars, chiefs. You stole everything from God and uses yourselves. That's why you say you are of Abraham, because you cannot say you are of God.